This is the lab setup for the inertia balance. You can see over here I've got one large C-clamp, and that C-clamp is holding this tray, this aluminum tray, to the table, so it's clamped underneath it to hold it all still. And then as I look over here, I can see that I have the clamps. In this case I've got 4 clamps attached. You'll vary that. And the clamps, you notice too that I have 2 small blocks of wood, and those small blocks of wood are there so the tops of the clamps are different levels, and that'll help tightening and loosening the clamps by having those blocks of wood there. So what you're going to do in this little activity is you're doing something with a period of motion. The period of motion is defined as the time to swing back and forth or to repeat a cycle once. So if I start over here, going back and forth, that's 1 period of motion. Back and forth, that's 2 periods of motion. Back and forth, that's 3. Well, you get the idea at this point. So what you're going to do is you're going to time how long it takes to go back and forth. So when you're timing it, it's easy just to have a piece of paper over here and have it hit the paper. You can feel when it comes back and forth, and when it goes faster you can actually hear it tap the paper, and that'll help you with your counting. You want to be careful with this that you don't ruin the results by pulling it too far and having it bounce up and down like that. You want nice smooth motion back and forth.